November 8052 Whiskey, 8052 Whiskey, Palm Beach approach on guard. If you're on this frequency, turn westbound immediately. You're entering an active TFR.
November 8052 Whiskey, Palm Beach approach. You're approaching an active TFR. Turn westbound immediately. November 8052 Whiskey, November 8052 Whiskey, you're approaching an active TFR. Fly westbound immediately. Contact Palm Beach approach 125.2 for November 8052 Whiskey. November 8052 Whiskey, Palm Beach approach on guard. You're in an active TFR. Fly westbound immediately. Ident. Contact Palm Beach approach on 125.2.
Aircraft 25 miles west of Palm Beach at 3,000 feet. On guard, turn west immediately. You're entering an active TFR. Aircraft 18 miles west of Palm Beach at 2,500. Turn west immediately. You're inside of a TFR. If you acknowledge this, turn west immediately.
Bouncer 1, Palm Beach approach on guard. Contact Palm Beach final 125.0, please. Bouncer 1, contact Palm Beach 125.0.
Palm Beach approach JetBlue 461 is descending 4.9 for 4,000 and at 4,000 slow into 210.
JetBlue 461, roger. Reduce speed to 19 or 0 for you. You can expect the visual approach 10 left. I understand you guys are minimum fuel, correct?
We're not declaring minimum fuel, but we're getting close for JetBlue 461.
Okay, thank you. Southwest 3020, there's going to be a helicopter just south of Zeiser at 2,200.
We're looking Southwest 3020.
Bouncer 01, you able to maintain VFR 2,500? Bouncer 01, Palm Beach. Delta 2535, turn left heading at 160.
Left heading 160, Delta 2535.
2535, just maintain 2,000.
2,000, Delta 2535.
Bouncer 01, Palm Beach area. Bouncer 01, Palm Beach approach, how do you hear? Bouncer 01, if you hear this frequency, ident.
And for JetBlue 461, what number are we in sequence?
You're number 3, but I got an F-16 that's going to be landing about 3, just a beam, I would say, the initial approach effect of the Wilba. So I need to let him land and then get you in.
Alright, copy, JetBlue 461.
And JetBlue 461 already declared minimum fuel for you, so we shouldn't expect more delays.
Alright, copy, JetBlue 461.
Bouncer 01, Palm Beach. Delta 2535, continue to descend down to 1,500.
We're descending down to 1,500, Delta 2535.
Delta 2535, traffic 1 o'clock in about 5 miles, maneuvering a helicopter 2,200.
Copy, Delta 2535, and we have field right.
0, Captain 6 to the west, 2,200.
Bouncer 01, start your climb up to 2,500. We're trying to reach you. Altimeter is 3028.
028.
Southwest 3020 over to tower.
Yeah, Southwest 3020, contact tower, traffic no factor.
Thank you.
Delta 2535, advise airport in sight.
Inside Delta 2535.
Delta 2535, you clear visual approach, 10 left, and then contact tower.
Clear for the visual 10 left over to tower, Delta 2535. Great day.
Yeah. Bouncer 01, maintain 2,400, crusher 2,500.
And for JetBlue 461, we are midfield.
JetBlue 461, roger. You're going to be number next, Chick.
Copy.
JetBlue 461, here's the plan. I'm going to set you up on final. I'm going to need you at 4,000, though there's an F-16 at you, 12 o'clock in about 10 miles, maneuvering at 2,500 right now. When he's no factor, I'll get you lower, okay?
Copy, JetBlue 461.
JetBlue 461, there's the F-16's off your right. He's no factor. It's going to maintain 2,000. You're clear for the ILS 10 left approach.
Descent 2,000, clear for the ILS 10 left for JetBlue 461.
JetBlue 461, there is a Coast Guard helicopter about 2 miles south of Zeiser intersection, orbiting at 2,500.
Copy, we'll be looking JetBlue 461.
JetBlue 461, contact tower. You can let the tower know your minimum fuel, and you're looking for the Coast Guard chopper at 2,500.
Copy, JetBlue 461 over the tower.
Sorry guys, we're trying to help you as much as we can here.
Appreciate it, man, thanks.
Yeah.